starting the year off with a whole bunch of exciting beauty and skincare stuff. And at the end of this video, we're ending it with a giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. Guys, Ipsy has done it again. She sent me the Ipsy Glambag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me these products. They are 100% gifted to me, and I am forever grateful for this opportunity. I hope that they will continue to partner with me all throughout 2024. Let's open up the Ipsy Glambag. This is $14 a month subscription in beauty, skincare, lifestyle products. You get 5 deluxe size items. One of them actually is usually a full size item. So 4 deluxe size, 1 full size item. So let's see what the Ipsy Glambag has in store this month. Okay, super glittery for the month of January 2024. It looks so pretty on the screen, but in real life, I don't know. It's not my style. So first up, we're gonna just go through this real quick. The Ren Beauty, Glow and Protect Serum. Of course, deluxe size. Looks like this. I need a lot of glowing products, guys. My face is drying up so badly. And then next one is by Toy Factory, another deluxe size. And this is let's see what it is. Oh, a powder. Ooh, mineral niacinamide setting powder. Ooh, I like niacinamide, hydrates the skin. I need everything, hydrating, glowing, all that stuff. Did you guys see my last unboxing on JLo Beauty? We got that on one of our icon boxes last few months or few seasons ago. And it was super amazing. I'm still using her glow serum. Amazing, but I only use it at night. I think I need to start using it during the day because this is too dry for me. Okay. Next one is Verify. Never heard of this brand. 2020 eye cream. And then this one again, it looks like Downtown Paris for short, the word downtown. This is an eyeshadow in rose gold. I'm not a fan of like liquid eyeshadows. They're a little bit hard to control, but I do love that they're very long wearing. I didn't open the card, but basically it says, glow your soul, soft launch new year by getting relaxed, recharge, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. And then this is the last one, full size YC collection. I've tried their highlighter before, really good. It's a pencil liner, but in white. It's in white. I've been using the NYX one, the jumbo pencil, for years. And now that I think about it, I think it's time to declutter it because it's getting old. But I love this in my inner corner. So that is it for the Ipsy Glambag. And like I said, guys, there's a giveaway at the end of this video. Also, I'm trying so hard to reach 2,000 subscribers. Please help me get there. I have a gigantic giveaway coming once we reach 2,000 subscribers. I mean like NARS, like high-end makeup brands. So please share, like, that would really help me out. The next one is the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'll put the monthly subscription price of this box, but you get over $120 worth of products in here for, I believe, $25 a month. Again, this is 100% gifted to me by Ipsy. Thank you again, Ipsy, for giving me these products. Boxycharm, glow your soul. I like that. What I'm seeing here, I'm really loving. Let's start with the brand Paradox. It's a volume blow dry spray. I love this because I'm all about the volume. Next one is the Saturday Skin Apple and Peach Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. When it comes to cleanser, I like them to be gentle, like none of those exfoliating cleansers or like anything that's harsh or it has some kind of added, you know, benefits to it. I just want you to keep my face squeaky clean, and that's it. Because after cleansing, I come in with all sorts of serums that my face needs. So I just want to focus on getting the makeup removal and getting everything clean. This is a nice full size Saturday Skin. Never tried it before. Next product is by Instant Crush Half Caked. Ooh, I've tried their lipsticks before. This time, whoops, we have two kind of very glittery lip glosses. One is just clear and one is tinted. I think I'm gonna save this one because I feel like it's for lighter skin tones. I'm gonna save that, but I do want to try the pink one. What do you guys think? I love that it gave it that instant glow on my lips. So I will be keeping this, but putting this in a giveaway. So I'm gonna set that aside. Next item is by Feel. It's a facial oil. Facial oils, not my favorite skincare product, but I am open to trying it, especially now during the cold and winter season. It's really doing a number on my skin, like super dry, super cracky. I think I woke up the other day with like a dry patch right here, and like humongous pores. So I think it's time to bring in the cavalry and try the oils. So I can't wait. Are you guys ready for the last one? I saved the best for last. This is the Ofra Signature Palette Luxe. Oh my gosh. Can you believe I've never owned an Ofra eyeshadow palette before? They are known for their amazing highlighters. They are my ride or die. So guys, I'm expecting this palette to be just as pigmented, just as good, and yeah, it's such a nice neutral color. I can't wait to use this. Can't wait. Thank you again, Ipsy, for gifting me these products. I will be trying them out and some will be in a giveaway. All right, so are you guys ready for the January giveaway? Some amazing products in here. You get a choice of one of these three palettes. This one is from Lash Step, and it looks like this. I feel like that one is a lot of earth tones, wearable, both cool and warm tones. Next one is the Phase Zero Santorini Quad Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. I feel like this is more of a brownie undertone, like super warm palette. Ooh, Alamar Cosmetics, guys. I've heard great reviews. It has an open and close button. How cute is that? But here are the colors, super duper pretty. I just want to swatch that yellow right now. I feel like that could easily be the Pantone color of the year right there. Okay, so you get a choice of one of those palettes. You get an collagen eye mask. You get Glamnetics Precision Nails, very neutral. I think this is very fitting for the new year. Meishu Beauty Sheer Glow Primer. And then you get a choice. Let's make this big. Two of these three brushes, guys. So you have kind of like a blending brush that's more rounded. And then you also have this one. I feel like it's a tapered brush. Super soft. And then this one is an eyeshadow. Yeah, it's like a eyeshadow brush. You get a choice of two of the three. And then you get a choice of one Scentbird, one Scentbox perfume. If you could just tell me what perfumes you gravitate towards, whether it's floral or woodsy or fresh scents or beachy scents, just let me know and I will try my best to get you a perfume that is in your scent profile. You get a choice of one of these They're darker colors, guys, but I think it's so fitting for the winter season. So this one is the Matte Liquid Lip by M2UNYC, or Basic Beauty. Ooh, look at that. And then guys, you get a Luxie brush holder. I can't believe I've had this for so long. I forgot I even had it. But look at that. It even still has like the tape around the handle. It's perfect for you to put all the brushes that you're gonna win. And lastly, you get the LYS Beauty contour stick. Here's what it looks like right there. The little tip kind of broke off, but not my fault. I love contouring. I can't do my makeup without it. Okay, so that is everything you're winning in this giveaway. I will have all the rules on how to enter in the description box below. But in order to enter, comment down below what is your favorite item in the giveaway. Which one is your favorite and which one are you looking forward the most to win? And of course, this giveaway is open to all my subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video. That would definitely help me out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.